Imported table. So when you create a base object, MDM automatically generates multiple tables to support staging, matching, merging, and history. So what are those tables? First one is the BO XREF. It stores all original source data. BO dirty. It holds records that needs to be tokenized. Validation control table. It tracks validation rules applied to a specific column. Table. It contains information related to the trust of the column. STRP table. It holds the tokens used in the match process. Match table. It stores IDs for matched source and target records. HMRG. It tracks the history of merge and unmerge actions. Pending control table. It contains trust override details from the BE. And EMI and EMO. These are the external match input and external match output data tables.